This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make mousse lipstick at home. Creating your own custom shades is a fun and rewarding project, giving you complete control over the ingredients. We will walk through each step, from gathering your materials to achieving that perfect, smooth finish. Get ready to transform simple components into a luxurious, personalized beauty product that feels amazing on your lips. Let's dive in and craft your very own unique mousse lipstick. To begin, you will need just a few key ingredients. Start with 1 teaspoon of cosmetic-grade beeswax, which provides structure and firmness. Next, gather 2 teaspoons of a nourishing carrier oil, such as jojoba or sweet almond oil, for a smooth application. You will also need 1/2 teaspoon of your desired cosmetic pigment to achieve your perfect shade. Finally, add a few drops of a skin-safe essential oil for a pleasant scent and added benefits. These simple components are the foundation of your beautiful mousse lipstick. Now, let's combine our ingredients to create the mousse lipstick. First, gently melt the 1 teaspoon of beeswax and 2 teaspoons of carrier oil in a heat-safe bowl using a double boiler method. Once melted, carefully stir in the 1/2 teaspoon of cosmetic pigment until it is fully incorporated and smooth. Then, add a few drops of your chosen essential oil. Pour the warm mixture into a clean, empty lipstick tube or small pot. Allow it to cool and solidify completely for several hours, or even overnight, to achieve the perfect mousse texture. Here are some tips to ensure your homemade mousse lipstick is perfect. Feel free to adjust the amount of pigment to achieve your desired color intensity, from a subtle tint to a bold statement. Experiment with different carrier oils, like shea butter or coconut oil, to find the texture you love most. Always store your finished lipstick in a cool, dry place to maintain its consistency and extend its shelf life. Enjoy the satisfaction of wearing a unique, custom-made beauty product that you crafted yourself. Your lips will thank you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.